Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm glad to introduce our newest products, the working cabinet, and this one is made all stainless steels. Let's take a look at the overall sizes. The overall length will be 47 and 1 inches. Overall height will be 31 and 1 inches. And the overall width will be 23.5 inches. As you can see, they have a wheels at the bottom. They're lockable. And from the bottom to the wheels right here, about 5 inches. And also units have a front door and the back door. They look the same. I'll show you later. So you can slide it up. And we can see the measurement on the inner side. It's about like 46 inches in the length. And 18 inches in the depth. And the overall height about 20 inches. I show it behind. They were looking exactly the same way. So if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.